In this video, I will show you how to find NFL Shop promo codes. Simply go to Chrome or any search browser. In the search bar, search for NFL Shop coupons. Then you will get this link from NFL Shop. Simply click on it. Now, if there are any ongoing promo codes, then you will get it here. Right now, there is free shipping on orders over $39. Then there is this promo code NFL39. You can simply copy it and use it for your checkout. And if there are any other offers during Black Friday or Cyber Monday, then you will find the promo code there. You can simply copy it and then use it for your checkout. Or you can also get promo codes from cashback sites like Rakuten NFL Shop. Simply search for it. Then you will find this URL. Click on it. Simply click on this 3-line menu bar at the top left corner. Then sign into this and get up to 2% cashbacks and coupons from here. Click on shop now. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.